Welcome back. So 220, 26, 7. See,
Y'all, you watching the Dallas game?
probably watching her in a little.
One player got ejected for spitting on Dak Prescott.
Ooh,
Let me pull it up. I said they are tripping. Let me see. Yep, he got ejected. It's 14-7. Dallas is up. Let's see. Who was it? Eagles defensive tackle Jalen Carter
that's
ejected
crazy.
before playing snap after spitting on Cowboys quarterback Dak Prescott.
Before playing, so this was before the game started.
Before playing on the snap.
Oh,
Hmm I said just nasty. He too damn old for that.
see if I can find a video of it.
But it says Carter was tossed 6 seconds into the NFL season opener for unsportsmanlike conduct. And the Eagles were hit with a 15-yard penalty. That is so nasty. He too old for that. I don't care how he 24. I'm like, you in the NFL, you should know better.
You see my screen?
Let me see. Um, mm-mm. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it right there.
I'm like, why? You're making millions and that's the only thing you can do is spit. I mean,
Bro,
that's the
that's
first thing you can.
the first game.
And within 6 seconds into I think, ain't that what they said? 6 seconds into the preseason opener. Crazy. Mm. Yeah, that's crazy. Yep, it says he was tossed 6 seconds into the NFL season opener.
Mm, no game
Terrible.
bonus for him.
Mm,
They ain't getting no game bonus. Think
got to
about that.
do
That's
better.
one whole game. Whatever bonus you trying to get at the end of the year, now you gotta work just as hard to get that.
Mm. Yeah, that's terrible. He know better. And like he could have just been like, okay, I'm gonna get him on the next play. He just gonna resort to spitting. I'm like, he couldn't even apologize to me for that. That's just nasty. I rather for a person to swing on me than to spit. It's just something about this. It's nasty.
Go ahead and transition into Miss Donna Adelson, the lady that, well, is now, as you see the title,
Oh,
guilty.
you should have just played the video.
But this, out of all the times I have a video on the screen, this is the one time y'all don't read the title.
No, for one, because sometimes I be having to zoom in because I'm on my phone
You
and it
sent
be
me
too
the
little.
video. Like,
I didn't watch it.
it said this is the title of the
I
video.
didn't even open. Oh, I didn't even open it. I just sent it. It said
So
jury watch or something.
blame,
Go on and hit play.
If the jury
wait, who's this?
I guess it's her family. I don't know. That's her.
finds
Now, y'all,
That's her and her attorneys.
if y'all ever want to know what scared, afraid for your life look like, this is it.
Now that's if you ever regret what you did and you got caught. Look,
And now
she knows
she's
she did
scared for her
wrong.
life. She's
She
about to
like,
be back
oh,
there in a 6x6 with one window, one toilet, one sink,
she
and
like,
one
oh
roommate
man,
for the rest of her life.
I got busted.
All that for nothing.
has the jury reached a unanimous
And she still don't have her daughter and her grandkids with her.
Is it playing
Let me,
sound or am I tweaking?
let me. I don't think they're talking yet.
The verdict form is in its proper
Turn
order.
your volume up.
At this time, I will publish the
It's all the
verdict.
way up.
Oh,
We, the jury, find as
Can y'all hear?
follows as the count one of the
yeah.
indictment, first-degree murder. The defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. Mrs. Adelson, control yourself. Count two, we, the jury, find as follows as the count two of the indictment, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. The defendant is guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Count three,
All right, now I'm really intrigued.
Oh, well, hold on. Hey, she doing all of that. I ain't seen no teardrop.
Listen, I'm really intrigued now. We're gonna have to pull up the evidence again. I want to hear the defense cross-examination or the
And she
prosecutor's
didn't.
cross-examination.
I don't think she testified.
Who they bring on the stand? Wasn't it her
I
daughter?
think. I think the hitman was
Yeah, I want
one
to hear
of
that. I
them,
got to hear him. We didn't hear him.
and then her daughter, and then wasn't it her son testified, and then it was an Asian type woman. Who was she?
I think she was involved too. The son was found guilty earlier.
But then there was another son too that wasn't guilty, and he was talking about how remember he distanced himself from her. It was
This gonna
that
be
one
the
too.
thumbnail. This is a crazy thumbnail. Oh, yeah. If you wondered how I ended up here, let me tell you why. Damn, look at her face, y'all.
I'm just it ain't no teardrop. That's just I effed up.
And I got caught.
Exactly. Ain't no teardrop.
first-degree murder. The count, Mrs. Adelson, the defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. Mrs. Adelson, control yourself. Count two, we, the jury, find as follows as the count 2 of the indictment: conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. The defendant is guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Count 3. We, the jury, find as follows as the count 3 of the indictment: solicitation to commit first-degree murder. The defendant is guilty of solicitation to commit first-degree murder. Signed and dated by the foreperson. One moment. Members of the jury, the bailiff will escort you to the jury room.
Still ain't no tear. He looking at her like, girl, stop. Yeah, she gonna be in there for the rest of her life.
Mrs. Adelson, while this was not the outcome I'm sure that you desired, there will not be any further outbursts.
But I'm like, her reaction is making me intrigued
Why?
because this isn't like a regular like guilty reaction. She looks extremely distraught.
She's caught.
Well,
And
she wasn't expecting to
Right,
be.
she was not
yes,
expecting that. She really
she
thought.
she thought she was getting off.
So now I'm intrigued. Like, I want to know. I'm looking into this. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell anybody, guilty or not guilty, not unless you probably just a hardcore gangbanger that been in prison in and out forever and it's routine. She didn't saw her whole life go before her.
Mm-hmm.
That's what she's shocked and numb about. That's
I'm gonna
that
have to
look.
do. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do like a 2, 3 video series on this case. I'm gonna break
Yeah,
it
her
down.
whole life is gone.
We'll figure out what happened. We're gonna figure out what happened with the son, the hitman, the Asian
But
lady, the
didn't
other
all the
son.
other ones, wasn't they all found guilty too?
What if
I think
like what? I'm just trying to think like what scenario could she be innocent? Like was she framed? Could she have been framed? Like why is she really thought she was not guilty?
no, she knew she was guilty. Like I said, her life is over.
No, but that's not I've seen some guilty verdicts and she was like
Oh yeah.
I didn't do it. I didn't like oh
No, she knew
she
she
gonna
did it.
she gonna appeal this and
Now,
but wait though wait what's gonna happen with the daughter?
I think it's more charges coming. She gonna probably get
So if the
charged. And
daughter get charged, what's that
what,
mean?
what did the hell? They all was guilty. They was all in cahoots. The mama roped in the son to protect his sister, then probably told lies about the guy that got unalive, and then they was in this little conspiracy together. And I do think the daughter knew some of the stuff that was going on too. So I think she probably next, not unless she gave up evidence on her mama and made it look like it was all her mama.
Dang.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
In front of the jury. If you cannot control yourself, I am going to have to determine if you'll be removed from the remaining.
All right, hold on now. Yeah, I don't see no tear.
That's why I said ain't dropped a tear.
Of this process.
Hell, if that was me, I'd been on the courtroom floor crying and hollering.
Same to you.
Shit, they told her that you didn't hear him say control yourself.
Yeah.
Need a moment to collect yourself. Before the jurors are brought back in, we will take a brief 2-minute break. Please give her tissues if she needs them.
You don't need them.
She ain't crying.
She grabbed tissues out.
She faking.
When the
She
juror,
didn't know. She didn't even shed a tear.
does the defense wish to have the jurors polled before they are discharged? Yes, Your Honor. Very well.
I don't know. I can't see.
She ain't crying. She ain't wiped no face, ain't lifted the glasses, ain't nothing.
What did she say?
Hmm. Who is that with shorts on? They can wear shorts in court. That must be a camera person or
I'm
something.
trying to break down what she said.
Let me see.
You over here talking about some damn shorts.
Picking up shorts in court.
Read her lips.
I ain't no lip reader. He got me looking at this woman's lips. I don't know what she's
I
saying.
think she said like they gave me life for nothing.
I don't know how you got that out of there. I don't know.
It's the medicine.
I was looking at the shorts because that's not court attire.
I don't think that looks like a damn designer purse to me.
That's shorts.
Look at the black. Look like a purse, right?
The
Now that's
black on the
is that
side is a bag.
is that a camera? Hold on. This is bottom part. Look like a camera.
It's a bag, either a camera bag or a purse. No, you can't wear shorts and stuff like that in a court. A judge will send you home and be like, when you come in my courtroom, you got to dress appropriately.
Dang.
Well, bless her heart. And that man, that poor man, then lost his life.
Let's bring
Facts.
back in the jurors so we can conclude with their portion of the trial.
I ain't gonna lie to you. And nothing y'all can say to me in this moment to make me feel better. So just shut up. Stop talking. Let the judge say what they gotta say. Take me back to myself. They over, oh, it's gonna be okay. What the like? Did you not hear
Brother,
that?
patting her back. There.
Right.
You'll be all right.
Before I discharge you for the evening, I am briefly going to poll you concerning whether your verdict is
Who's
unanimous
this?
at the request of one of the
The
parties.
judge, I think. Oh, you talking about who is that man?
His
Yeah.
name, please
I
appropriate.
don't know who he is. He
Nah,
sitting
y'all.
on her side.
I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna break this. Man, we gotta break this down. Why are you rubbing my back?
They're
He
trying
trying
to
to
console
comfort
her.
her.
Ain't nothing y'all can do to make the situation better.
No, but they consoling her and rubbing her because they still getting
No,
paid.
the fuck you mean? You didn't do your job.
I
I'm not
know, but they're
We
I'm
still
not
getting
lost.
paying you
paid.
nothing. I'm going to prison.
We lost.
They already got their money. They have already been paid.
Dang. Dang.
Are they state?
I doubt it. I don't think them no public defenders.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah,
doubt it.
yeah, 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 yeah. Y'all, listen. Oh, that's crazy. Like, how do you, as a lawyer, what do you do after this?
Try to
Well,
talk her into swindling more money and say we can appeal it.
yeah, yeah. Well, look, we can appeal it. Hopefully, we can get a retrial or whatever you call it. Introduce some new evidence to show that you're innocent because blah 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 blah.
They ain't gonna. I think she just in there forever because I just pulled up her son, Charlie Adelson. He's currently serving a life sentence.
Dang.
She ain't going nowhere.
Wait, who did they kill? I mean, unlove?
Her son-in-law, her
Dang.
daughter's ex-husband. I
Dang.
don't know if they were divorced. I know they was going through like a little custody battle, but her son-in-law.
Listen, here, you think I'm
Yes.
playing? We're gonna break this shit down
Yeah, let's do it.
because we didn't do it right the first time. We gotta start from the very beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I need, what's his name? Charlie?
The son,
Yeah.
yeah, Charlie Adelson.
I
Mm.
need to know what his involvement was.
And then there's a Catherine Magbanya. It says Catherine Magbanya will spend the rest of her life in a Florida prison for
They
her
all
role in it.
getting life.
Dang.
What state is this?
Florida.
Ooh.
Hmm.
Yeah, ex-son-in-law was her ex-son-in-law. Murder
Dang.
for hire trial.
Dang. Dang.
Oh
Dang.
Lord. Like
Who?
in this day and age, you tell me. I really want y'all to think. And y'all in the comments, y'all let me know. Well, hypothetically, for a movie, how could you pull that off?
Well, what
Think
all?
think about it. A large sum of money, random people, y'all keep communicated somehow. So they have a paper trail.
Yep, and then once they get one person to talk, then shoot, it all just opens from there.
All right, it's a wrap.
But look how many people you got involved.
Yeah, and then it says that Magabuana woman, whatever her, like however you pronounce it, let me see, Magamata is the convicted go-between connecting Charlie Adelson and the hitman. She was convicted in 2022, so
Wait,
I can tell you
how
outright.
does she get in contact with the hitman? Like this is crazy.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to look at hers too.
Like that's crazy. I was really trying to figure this out. Like, hey, you go to a random person, hey, hitman, what?
Hmm. Yeah, we're gonna have to look at it.
Man, that'd be a crazy. They're gonna make a documentary on
And
her.
then it
Hmm.
says Patricia Bird and Drina Bernhardt, they were in the prison or the jail detention center where this Donna
Snitching
was.
on her. Snitching
And
on
it says Bird and Bernhardt testified they spent time in jail with Donna where she shared details about the trial. And they were asking her questions about what happened and stuff. And then it says that Catherine lady, she testified that she wanted to take the stands in hope of one day seeing her children again, so she snitched.
That's crazy. Do y'all think like that's fair?
And then Louis Rivera is one of the hitmen involved in the plot. He was convicted in 2016 and took a plea deal with the state. He is currently serving a 19-year sentence.
Mm-mm-mm.
Do y'all think that's fair?
No,
Like I'm
but
talking about like the inmates telling on her and possibly get time cut or something.
do I
Okay.
mean it's all about themselves.
Right, but they committed a different crime. They had a own their different sentence.
I know, but that's the nature of that beast. You come forward with some information and evidence that another inmate did, and they can come and prove it, and it's true, and knock off some time. Yeah, people do that all the time.
Nah,
It's a game that I mean, not a game that the.
it depends how violent the crime is.
Yeah, but some of them they want to win so bad in a conviction, they will take an inmate and reduce their time or give the what is that term, quid pro quo, this for that.
And I know they'll give them like a phone or wire.
So, and then sometimes if it's a person in prison and say if they own murder, they in there for murder and then they know parole, they may reduce it and say, okay, well, we'll give you parole. You'll be eligible for parole. I don't think they'll just like drastically cut their sentence down though for something crazy.
Oh, the Adelsons.
And then the hitman snitched. How he get 19 years and didn't get a life? He unalived somebody. I don't think that's fair. She like, damn. You said we can't. I can't hear the video.
To you before you
I
are
got the volume up. I don't know what's going on.
Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges that are enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever
That
be
is the
required
camera
to
lady.
talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone
So
about
did she
your
get life with the
deliberations,
possibility of
you
parole
are
or no
also
I
parole?
at
think her.
liberty to
I think
refuse
her
to speak.
sentencing is going to be at a later date.
A request to discuss either your verdict or your deliberations may come from those who are simply curious, from
What if they
those
give
who
her the
might
death
seek
penalty?
to find fault with you,
Mm, mm, mm.
from attorneys or elsewhere. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. That being said, I want to extend my thanks on behalf of the entire Second Circuit for your service in this matter. You are discharged. Have a good evening.
I mean, she been locked up for what, 10 years already?
Has she been locked up that long? I don't think she's been locked up that long. I don't know why it took them so long to come after her.
What you mean? You can't tell me she been out. She been locked up.
Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna have to
The
because
jury's verdict, with the jury
let
having
me see.
defendant
See,
guilty
see,
of the three
yep.
charges of the indictment, is the defense asking for a pre-sentence report on counts 2 and 3. As to count 1, penalty is statutory, and essentially there is no modification required.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, pre-sentence investigation report is ordered by the court as to counts 2 and 3. As to count 1, is there any reason why we cannot proceed to sentencing on this matter?
Your Honor, we would request an opportunity to ensure that our client is okay before we proceed to sentencing. It's my
Oh,
understanding that
she's shaking,
Charlie
y'all.
Adelson wasn't sentenced right away, and we're asking for the same courtesy.
Very well.
She trembling.
The court then will set a separate sentence.
Y'all don't see her?
I told you they was gonna do a sentencing.
She trembling, y'all.
Hell, anybody in their right mind to be trembling. Your freedom is gone.
Date.
May I inquire whether the family members that are present would like to give victim impact now or at the...
Is the daughter not there?
I hadn't seen her sitting in the courtroom. How you convicted of unaliving at 70-something years old?
This next video just popped up.
See, she was arrested, Ezel, and it says Donna Adelson was arrested at Miami International Airport on November the 13th, 2023.
And when did this happen?
2016, I think.
Dang.
When was she like investigated?
Let me see. Probably after that first person got picked up. The killing was in 2014.
Damn.
Wait, hold on. No. 2016. 2016.
This next video says, should Donna Adelson have taken the stand?
No. She took the stand. She probably got the death penalty.
Oh, shoot.
What you mean?
Because she probably would have got caught up in so much stuff and lies.
So you mean
That's probably
wait. Wait. Put yourself in her shoes. You
I
mean to
know, but
tell
you
me?
got to also look from the legal
No, all right,
standpoint.
hold on. Okay, Lucy Adelson, you tell me.
Don't be putting my name with her
Are
name.
you? I'm your lawyer. Are you testifying or not?
Under the direction of my attorneys, no, because that's what she was told. Don't you get your ass on that stand.
So you're
That's
not
what
gonna
they
prove.
told her.
So you're not gonna prove your innocence.
Under the direction of my attorney in legal representation, no.
So all the evidence that's mounted against you.
So what am I gonna get on there and say? Yes, I sent that text
You're
message.
facing
Yes, I
life
said that.
regardless.
No, they told her don't get her butt on that stand, and she did not.
All right,
She was
Kia.
doomed already. Oh, and let me
You're
correct
fighting
something
for
real.
your life. You're fighting. So you mean to tell me you're putting your life in the hands of two strangers that
People do it every day.
facts. I know that, but it comes down to life. You're not getting out either way at the end of the day.
But you got to look at it from the point of now she
She's
was
70.
already.
She's 70 years old.
I know that,
Yes,
but
she didn't
If
live
she
her
gets
life.
if she gets the death penalty, it'll probably be when she's 79, 80, 77.
I get that, but you got to look at the standpoint that some attorneys, such as hers, when they took her case on, they probably sat her down and said, "Look, they got all this on you. There ain't no way out of it. You're getting prison time. So right now, we're trying to fight for you to not get the death penalty and for you to probably, get a term to where you can enjoy the rest of your life alive in there. So it's best for you not to take the stand because they're going to get you roped up. You're going to get caught in lies. So let's just fight for the lesser sentence we can get you. It's life or death now. Even though she probably gonna be unalived in prison because she's gonna get life, but they probably looked at it that's like better than the death penalty.
Okay.
But I do have to say something. I forgot. I got to correct it. Daniel Markel, he was unalived in the driveway of his home